starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All links reporting.
Good 5 standing by.
Coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it, you've got one on your tail. I have you now. Come in, primary engine. Use the force. The force is strong with this one. You're all clear, kid. Now let's force me. Go home.
The force will be with you. Always.
What? I know who I did.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
I know who I that. He has a pencil. And he can't hurt like that.
Baymax
Wings. Thrusters.
Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Oh, he is slow.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do nothing.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond.
What? I'm not. What?
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.